In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your funnel on Systeme.io, focusing specifically on text and media elements. Whether you're new to Systeme.io or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can customize your sales funnels effectively. Let's begin with accessing your Systeme.io account. First, head over to the Systeme.io website and enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in and clicked on the Sign In button, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, take your mouse and hover over the website section. This will reveal a drop-down menu. Click on Sales Funnels to move forward. Now that you've arrived at the Sales Funnels section, let's focus on working with media elements. To add an image, look at the left-hand panel where you'll find various elements you can use. Drag the image element to the part of the page where you want your image to appear and simply drop it there. Once the image element is in place, you'll need to upload your picture. Click on the Settings button, which will open up your upload options. You'll notice a cloud-shaped upload button. Click it. From here, navigate to your computer's files, select the desired image and upload it. To finalize this step, hit the Insert button and your image will be placed on your funnel page. Next, let's tackle text elements. Similarly, locate the text element in the left-hand panel. Drag and drop it onto the desired spot on your page. Once the text element is added, click the settings icon you'll see in the orange tab in the top right corner of the frame. This will enable you to customize your text just as you like. If you're looking to apply different font styles, such as making your text bold, start by selecting the portion you wish to change. Click on the B icon and voila, your text is now bold. Need it italicized? Select your text and click the I icon. To underline, highlight the text and click the U icon. If a strike through is what you want, simply choose the text and click on the S icon. Changing the color is just as straightforward. Select the text, click on the color picker icon, and choose the shade that best fits your design. Now, if you want to create hyperlinks, select the text you want to transform into a link and click the link symbol icon. Enter the desired URL and your text becomes clickable, guiding users to a specific web page. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments and are satisfied with your edits, make sure to click on the Save Changes icon to ensure all your hard work is preserved. And there you have it, your funnel on Systeme.io is now personalized with text and media elements. Happy creating!